Gaithersburg. Let's talk to Allie, the driver of Renegade. Allie, first of all, it's your rookie season driving these monster trucks. How did you get started doing all this?
My family's been involved in this for a really long time, and I was really against it. I didn't want to do it. And then I met Kinsley, and she told me that I should get in. I tried it, and then I loved it, and now I'm here, and I love it.
Well, there you go. How awesome is that? Now, you mentioned your competitor on the track, but your teammate off the track. You guys are best friends. Every time I see you guys, it's always y'all are just always hanging out, being the best of friends. How cool is it to have a teammate like Kinsley behind you, supporting you, and helping you out in your career?
It's pretty great because since this is usually a men's-based sport, it's great to show all the boys that girls can do just as good or better than them on this track.
There you go. How's about that? Now I gotta ask, you guys are gonna freestyle later on here today. What can they expect from Pretty Wicked on this track here today in freestyle?
Hopefully some big air and some good donuts.
There you go, big air and donuts. Where's my Pretty Wicked fans? Well, let's talk to that teammate that we mentioned here, Kinsley, of course, the driver of Lady Luck. Now, Kinsley, just like Allie, you've been in this thing for a long time, but you guys are best friends. How cool is it to have Allie as a teammate?
It's just amazing to have another woman in this sport. I've been driving for a long time, and I finally convinced Allie, so tonight we're going to go on this track and show what ladies can do.
How about it? Now, Kinsley, here's the thing. We have a lot of great sponsors and folks behind that Lady Luck truck and a lot of magic that makes this Lady Luck truck run every weekend. What are some of the sponsors people behind you?
Yeah, there's a lot of magic behind this truck. I like to thank my dad for helping me whenever my truck is broken. I like to thank Team Kit KJ, Rapid Fleet Service, and Shop Angry Duck. Without them, I wouldn't be here today.
How about that? Now, I'm going to ask you the same question I asked Miss Allie here. What can these fans expect from Lady Luck on this track here in Gaithersburg?
You know, Corbin, I would tell you, but it all depends on you guys to show how crazy and loud y'all get to show how crazy I'll get on this track.
Well, there you go. Hey, fans, we any Lady Luck fans here or what? Well, we heard from the local ladies what they're going to do on this track today. Now let's talk to the guy of the lanes towing many monster cities, my buddy Garrett, the driver of many Stinger. Garrett, first of all, you've been in this thing for quite a long time. How did you get involved in all this?
Yeah, so when I was born, my dad started running a monster jam, and then we started our own tour, and then my mom and my brother started driving, and slowly I just got into one.
That is super cool. Now, you've been to Gaithersburg a lot of times, man. You were telling me earlier this is one of your favorite tracks to run. Is there a reason why?
Yeah, we've been here for so long. I think this is our 10th year or something like that. I lose this track after every year. You fans are great. This is amazing, and this really is my favorite track to run on every year.
There you go. Now, you mentioned that, and you mentioned you have a lot of fans in the stands here. What can they expect from Mini Stinger on this track today?
Hopefully some big air and some wheelies.
Now, like Kinsley, you also have a lot of great people behind you that make your truck run every single weekend. What is the magic as I call it, the sponsors and people behind you that make this Mini Stinger truck run?
Yeah, ATI Performance Products, the metal shop for building this truck. Trey, the guy that builds my bodies, and I got 2 more sitting back there, so I don't really care about this one anymore. Not that I'm saying anything, but if it gets destroyed, I don't really care. My dad, my brother, Art, Andy, a lot of great people to help this truck keep running every weekend for you fans.
Well, there you go. And I gotta tell you, it is so cool seeing you run here. Garrett, is there anything else you want to say to these awesome fans here in Gaithersburg?
You know, we got Best Chick and we just did donuts. They're out of the way. They're not my favorite. We got racing coming up next, and we got the most important competition, freestyle. Gaithersburg, are you guys ready for some freestyle?
Monster Truck fans, what I'm hearing y'all, your winner is coming to recovery, many Monster Truck riders. Joe's moving hard, but what exact that was, man? Make his way around the big jump here. Garrett doing what he does best, getting wild and crazy in these mini monsters. 100% there, here we go. Yeah, well, I'm not surprised, but hey, the choice was great, and they did a phenomenal job of driving. On the far side of that track there. They'll fly just like the big 1,000-pound machines. Garrett's looking really good in this truck right now. He's got the head out pedal. He wants to hear you make some noise. Goes fast, getting wild and crazy in these mini monsters. 100% there, here we go. Yeah, well, I'm not surprised, but hey, the choice was great, and they did a phenomenal job of no stranger to hitting the big jump. She comes out here, that's her first move. Incredible. That's right. Now, Darius, here's a cool thing. This is her first full season in monster trucks, and she's doing a phenomenal job so far. Getting the RPMs high with some big revolution. Great job here so far. Absolutely.
mission, Holmes. Absolutely, it was. The truck master was in the air.
Just like now, Darius, let's talk about Garrett, man. Here's a guy that is not scared of anything, dude. He knows how to jump on that wild road.
Without a doubt, he's an absolute madman in one of these mini monsters. Let's see what he can do here behind the wheel of the hidden stinger unleashed. Absolutely. Some carnage out here with Stinger Unleashed.
I was going to say that fiberglass is looking at something right off.
Today, but the last lap to see how long it hangs on there for.
Oh, yeah, probably thinking this, it'll block out overtime.